everyone, we're gonna get right into the workout today. This is gonna be a really quick 10-minute AMRAP that stands for as many rounds as possible. So we've got a circuit of 5 exercises and we're gonna complete as many rounds as we can in 10 minutes. The only thing I'm using today is an exercise mat, and I'm also using my little pull-up bar, but don't worry, if you don't have one of these, just stick around and then after the workout, I will show you what you can do instead. So if you want to do the workout with me right now, just make sure you're warmed up and let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and start my timer. This is a 10-second rest interval just to get ready. And when that beeps again, we're going to start with a mini squat pulse 3 times and then a jump up. So squat and pulse, 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 jump up. That's 1 rep. We're doing 5 reps. So pulse, 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 and jump. That's 2, pulse, 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 3, 1, 2, 3, and jump. That's 4, 1, 2, 3, and jump. And that's 5. Now we're gonna do a half burpee into a squat. So that's 1 rep. Okay, feet out, back in, squat, that's 2. 5 reps again. 3, 4, 5. Okay, next is abs. So come down on your back, clasp hands behind your head, and lift your shoulder blades up off the floor. Now crunch the knees in, straighten the legs up, and lower the legs back down straight. That's 1 rep. In, up, and lower. That's 2. We're doing 5 reps of everything. 3, crunch, straighten, lower down, that's 4, crunch, straight legs, lower down, that's 5. Flip it over, we're gonna do commando push-ups with knee tucks. So all the way down on your belly, lift the hands and feet. Now push your body up in one straight line and tuck the knee, back down to your belly. That's 1 rep. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, last exercise. I'm using my little pull-up bar and I'm gripping it with my palms facing the wall. I'm going to do these bicep push-ups. So from this position, I'm just going to lower my body down so my chest touches the bar, push back up. 5 reps. 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's it. That's the circuit. That's round 1. Don't worry if you don't have this. Stick around, and after the workout, I'll show you what to do. Okay? I'll show you some alternatives. So here we go. As many rounds as possible with the remaining time. So starting with our pulse is 1, 2, 3, and jump. That's 1. Half burpees into squat. Abs. Flip over, commando push-ups, knee tuck. I'm doing my bicep push-ups. You're doing possibly another variation of push-ups. 5 reps. right into the next round. Round 3. Let's try to do 2 more. Let's try to do one last round before time is up. I might have done an extra push-up on this count. But we got in that last round either way. So that's 5 full rounds. Not too bad. Let's do our bonus burpee. And then we're all done. All right, so if you don't have a little pull-up bar like this, you can really just substitute with any push-up variation that you find particularly challenging, because we're only doing 5 reps at a time. The best thing probably is if you have a set of dumbbells or a kettlebell or a medicine ball or even just a basketball or a soccer ball or a volleyball or something like that, to put your hands on and do the push-ups with your hands on your ball or your kettlebell or holding your dumbbells. That would be a great substitution. Probably the next best thing, if you don't have any equipment, is to do diamond push-ups. So with your hands, put your index fingers together like this and your thumbs together like this, so that you're making a diamond in the middle, okay? These are quite challenging. We're only doing 5 reps. And so you're just gonna do your push-up from this position. Okay, so lowering the chest all the way down and back up. Those are quite challenging, so if you want to try them from your knees, same thing, down to your knees, hands in that diamond position, and then lower the chest down and back up. So that's probably the best variation to try if you don't have a pull-up bar or dumbbells or a kettlebell or a medicine ball or something like that. But really, any push-up variation will work fine. Just choose something that's challenging for you. I think the rest of the exercises are pretty self-explanatory. If you need to see anything in more detail or you need to see beginner modifications for anything, just let me know. Otherwise, that's it for today. I thought this was a fantastic little workout. I hope you enjoyed it too. If you try it, please let me know what you thought of it and how you did. And that's it for today. I will see you next time. Bye.